Alright. They say 4 ounces per 10 gallons, so I've already had put some in. I'm adding an additional little bit. Now you can do this before or after you put the gasoline in. Make sure you have a good rag, because you get that stuff on your hands, you're going to smell like petroleum. After it's poured into the funnel, let the funnel sit for 30 seconds to a minute. Let the excess drip in there. Don't do this when you're in a hurry. If you're on your way to a wedding or something, I wouldn't advise taking this much time to do this. So, alright, so it's been in there. I'm going to wipe it off.